Assalamuallaikum. My name is ANIS ALISYA BINTI AHMAD. I'm going to present on Lab 1 exercise of GIS in landscape architecture. This lab is introduced or familiarizing with ArcGIS tools. So first of all, ArcGIS is a geographic information system, and it is very important for our working with maps and how to mapping, analysis and data storage. And we also have to know how to use the tools in ArcGIS. So for this lab 1 exercise, it contains 6 chapters, and I already made it in flowchart and some screenshot. So for the chapter 1, it divided into task 1. Chapter 1 is explain more to introduction how to use ArcCatalog and ArcMap. So we can see this chapter 1. And then for chapter 2, more introduce how to coordinate, how to project a shape file from a geographic to a projected coordinate system. So this chapter 2, what I have learned from chapter 2 is how to convert from one coordinate system to another. So it is divided into 4 tasks. That's shown. Then for the chapter 4 explain about raster data model that divided into 3 tasks. And then for the chapter 5, it's more explain for GIS data acquisition. So this chapter 5 divided into 2 tasks, which is digitize on screen in ArcMap and add XY data in ArcMap. So I add some note in my flowchart for the ArcGIS function. ArcGIS function is more to thin layer cake that I have learned from this software ArcGIS. There's some words that such as lines, polygon, points. So all the words represent the land use, lakes, street and river. And next, for the chapter 6 is geometric transformation that divided into 2 tasks. So I already susun in flowchart. So for chapter 7 is spatial data accuracy and quality. Chapter 7 only divided into 2 tasks. This task more focus on how to edit a shape file and how to use cluster tolerance to fit digitizing errors between 2 shape files. This some of my flowchart. And then for the conclusion, this is the conclusion for this lab exercise 1. What I have learned from this familiarizing the ArcGIS tool. All the tools in ArcGIS can work with map, and the tools function is commonly will use in every task for every chapter 1 until chapter 7. So I have learned a lot of verbs language and nouns in geographic data, such as raster, features, tables, and tools. So all the verbs represent the words like join, copy, merge, and so on. So lastly, I can examine and understand how the concept and tool in GIS. So I hope I can use it in the landscape planning process for the future. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.